Good morning, good afternoon, guys, good evening. God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Happy Wednesday, guys. Man, the week is flying by, but I'm here doing my weekly maintenances. Now, you're already probably seeing what I'm about to show you guys, and I'm already ready for all the heat. Yes, it's Armor All, guys. I'm back with another product review, so hate me for that. Anyways, why Armor All, Carlos? It's a crappy product. Armor All doesn't work. Armor All is the worst. Guys, at the end of the day, I'll use whatever works for me, right? Now, I'm not here to bash any companies. At the end of the day, I'm a mobile detailer. I buy whatever best fits my business, my needs. And guys, this kit right here was about $30, guys. So it comes with a foam cannon, and it comes with a snow foam wash, guys, that is pH neutral, pH balanced. So if you're working with vehicles that are coated, this works. I really want to find out how well this thing foams, all right? But the main reason I purchased this product is because it was orange top. I mean, it fits with me. Look, see, orange everywhere, guys. So we're gonna find out how well this product works, all right? The orifice, I think it's like a 1.2, so it's kind of big, but on the box, it says intense suds make cleaning fun. I always have fun when doing suds, right? It says thick foam, non-slip grip, and easy fill bottle. It definitely was easy to fill, for sure. And it says use with your pressure washer. Any pressure, doesn't say 1200, 1400 PSI, anything, right? Now, the higher the PSI, the more flow you're gonna get, guys. So let's get right to it. When you buy it in the box, it comes with your foam cannon, and it comes with your soap. All right, so let me get this out the way, and let's get to the main stuff, guys. So thank you for tuning in today. I'm sure you guys are probably busy, but thank you guys for watching. When they mailed it, look how they freaking, that was all bumpy. I'll post a link, guys, to this, but let's get to the main reason why we're here. All right, everybody says Armor All makes cheap products, you know, blah blah blah. I will say this though, Armor All is more, and many can agree to disagree, it's made more for the do-it-yourself guy, the weekender guy, the guy that washes cars at his house. Maybe you're starting. If you're starting, guys, I honestly think this is a great buy. $30, you get soap, you get a foam cannon. There's foam cannons out there that are around $70. I have one, which is the MATCC. That's like $70, guys. For 30 bucks, you get a foam cannon and a soap. It's a no-brainer. I'll be posting the link for it too as well. But let's see how well this foams. Well, matter of fact, Ivan, bring me the. We're gonna see the premium foam cannon. All right, this is a $70, right? $70 foam cannon. Let's see how well this one foams. It's $70. I think orifice is 1:1 on this one. That's foamy. All right. Of course, you're gonna get what you pay. You're gonna get, right. You're paying premium price. You're gonna get premium soap. All right, now let's see this one. This is maxed out. Let's see on I think it's a 1.2 orifice, so it's gonna be bigger, so it's just more pressure coming out, less soap maybe, but let's see. Here we go. All right. Okay, so I will say this. Obviously you guys can see the soap is definitely different from a premium foam cannon, but for $30, guys, this thing feels really smooth. I'm sure I'm gonna change the orifice on there as well as the soap. I bet if I was to put some Adams Mega Foam in here, this baby will foam. All right, so I'll make a tiny adjustments to it, but guys, for $30 for a kit, this foam cannon definitely works. It's good for my pocket. It's not gonna hurt my business. Anybody can use a foam cannon. Anybody ain't gonna discredit you if you're using this foam cannon. All right, it's Armor, guys. Again, hate me for putting Armor out here. At the end of the day, guys, we all started somewhere. The pros might say, oh, I never used Armor. If you didn't use Armor, that's okay, guys. But I used Armor when I started because I didn't have the income to buy these better products. Now I do. I thank God for that. But if you're just starting, go check out this kit, guys. I'll post a link down below. I just wanted to make a quick video on this amazing foam cannon. Orange, if you love orange, this is the one for you guys. Get it. But anyways, you guys have a great Wednesday. God bless y'all, and I'll see you guys next time.